Join me as I race against the clock to whip up a delicious beef lasagna in just 30 minutes. Let's start cooking. Make white sauce. Cook the ground beef in a pan, then add your marinara sauce and let it simmer. While that's cooking, mix the ricotta cheese with some Parmesan and a pinch of salt. Get your lasagna noodles cooked, and let's start our lasagna. A layer of meat sauce, a layer of noodles, a layer of white sauce, and a sprinkle of mozzarella, so easy. Keep repeating those layers until you run out of ingredients, finishing with a generous layer of mozzarella on top. As we put our lasagna in the oven, the kitchen is aromatic. That's it. You now have a delicious homemade lasagna, ready in just 30 minutes. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite lasagna variations? Do you have a secret ingredient or a twist on the classic recipe? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and delicious recipes that'll make your mealtime a breeze.